Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into an important topic. What happens to iPhones that don't make the cut for iOS 19? If you're using a device like the iPhone XR or XS or XS Max, this video is for you. Let's explore what it means to own an unsupported iPhone and how you can keep it using safely. First, let's clear up what happens when an iPhone stops receiving iOS updates. While your iPhone or while your device won't get new features or enhancements, it's not the end of the road yet. Here's what changes. So, first of all, new features. No new features. You will miss out on exciting updates like the revamped multitasking tools, new camera settings, or iMessage themes introduced in iOS 19. Second, limited security updates. Apple may release few critical security patches for older devices, but these will become infrequent over time. Third, app compatibility issues. Over time, some apps may stop supporting older iOS versions, like now iPhone 6 don't support a number of apps, which could limit functionality or even stop the app from working entirely. So, if your iPhone is now unsupported, don't worry. You can still use it for years to come. Here's how to get the most out of it. Enable automatic security updates. In the settings, jump to General in the software update and make sure you turn on automatic updates. Second thing, use trusted apps. Just install the apps from App Store. Don't go with the third party apps here. Third thing, optimize battery health. Keep your device running smoothly by managing battery usage and avoid unnecessary stress on the hardware. Fourth, consider offline uses. Turn your old iPhone into dedicated music player, backup device, or even smart home controller. That's the thing I like. So, should you upgrade? It depends. If your iPhone still meets your daily needs, you are okay with missing out on new features, you can stick with it for now, but if you value security and app compatibility, upgrading to a supported model might be a smart move. At the end of the day, just because of iPhone is unsupported doesn't mean it's unusable. With a bit of care and creativity, your older device can still serve you well. What do you think? Are you keeping your older device or planning to upgrade? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.